Do you need to write a resume? Can you use artificial intelligence tools such as ChatGPT to write a resume? Is ChatGPT good enough to write a resume and then get a job? How can you use ChatGPT to write a resume so you don't have to spend time writing a resume? Let's check out the new artificial intelligence text generation tool, ChatGPT, to see if it can write a resume to get a job. We're going to see if ChatGPT can write a resume for a job at Amazon, writing code for Amazon Web Services. As you can see, ChatGPT jumps right in form fields that you can fill out. It has skills that include programming languages. It has professional experiences, software engineer. Now, it doesn't supply the company name, but you can plug in your own company name and then tweak these skills to match your own skills. It also has references available upon request and appropriate certifications for that job. Let's try it for a different job. Now we're going to see if it can write a resume for a social worker in public housing in a large metro area. Once again, ChatGPT jumps right in and starts writing all the different skills and appropriate education and professional experiences to get the job. Now, these skills may not line up exactly with your skills, but they can give you some great phrasing. Another way is to actually paste in your resume and have ChatGPT rewrite it in a more succinct and general way. Let's try one more resume with ChatGPT. Here we're going to ask ChatGPT to write a resume for a CFO position at a nonprofit to handle budgets and payroll. Again, ChatGPT wastes no time jumping right in to show what the resume should look like. It types out the education, the objective, the skills, and the professional experience needed on a resume to get this position. So ChatGPT is a great tool for job seekers because it can save a lot of time on busy work that you don't need to do, and you can spend more time tailoring your resume to a specific position and have a better chance of getting a job. So hopefully you can use ChatGPT to write your resume, or at least add in the boilerplate for your resume, and then you can customize it to your own skills.